Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant pole bean seeds in a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. Alrighty, we are here in the beans. These are going to be pole beans. This is one called Black Cobra, and it's one of my favorite pole beans, and I want to grow it here against the fence. Hopefully the sheep won't eat the plants on the other side, but we're going to go ahead and plant those. Now what I want to do here is I want to put 10 in here, so I'm going to put 4 down the middle and 3 down each side, and I'm going to drop these seeds in 3/4 of an inch, something like that. And you can have a lot of beans in a pot. They don't require a whole lot of nutrients because they're givers. They'll pull nitrogen out of the air, and so we have a little bit of an advantage that way. Now these are frost tender, so if a cold front is going to come through and we're going to get some frost, I do need to protect these. They are not attached to the fence yet, so I can put a frost protection system over the top of these and get these protected. But all right, all of our bean seeds are planted. I'm going to mow the grass and get some mulch. I'm going to put some mulch on that because this soil, it dries out really fast on the top, so the mulch will help hold the moisture in. The beans are frost tender, have to protect them, and I don't have to worry too much about pollination because the beans do self-pollinate, so I could have one pot of beans and still get some nice fat pods out of that. So mulch and water, and these things will be on their way. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week 1. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.